All right, guys, so you're watching the video on how we're completing today. So that's the Thursday, Friday. First thing you do is you're going to click on this NASA link. It's going to open up a page that looks like this. And what you're going to do is watch this video right here, the Introduction to Electromagnetic Spectrum. You're going to read these first two paragraphs here, the first two sections. And when you're done, you're just done with that. That's introducing our topic. Make sure you do that because that's a good refresher for what's going to be on our test. Okay, next thing you're going to do is you're going to download the Electromagnetic Spectrum Lab here. And what you're going to do is when you open it, it'll look like this. This is the document right here. It's just a single page. Notice it says draw the picture referenced by video here, lab video 1. Lab notes, watch video 2, record the flame colors and their wavelengths below. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open watch lab video 1. And then this image right here, apologies that it's a little cut off here. You'll see the whole video. Let's see. Yeah, you'll see the whole video on your screen. You're drawing this picture in the top. Okay, so what's drawn right here is what's going to go onto the top of your lab right here. Okay, and then watch the video. It's about 4 minutes long. Then you're going to open lab video 2. Watch lab video 2. It's about 8 minutes long. And we're going to reference different metals and different colors. So notice that this color is green. Let's say it was copper, it was green. What I would do is right here for the flame spectrum color, I'd record green. And then I'd go to Google and I'd Google like colors and wavelengths as an example. Okay. And then I'd get something that looks like this, colors and wavelengths. Green here gives me a range of 500 to 565 nanometers for the wavelength. That means all wavelengths within that range represent different shades of green. And you're going to record that, the 500 to 565, into this right here. Other options, though, just to be clear, you might have something that looks like this. You know, you could record, let's say, 565 right here, right in the middle for green as well. That would be fine. You could have a range or one number there for that. And then make sure you re-upload that back to Schoology. And if you have time, go back to the Tuesday, Wednesday folder and review your submission. Make sure you're good to go on the Wave Properties worksheet. And some of you haven't taken it yet, so make sure you do that. And if you finish that, then what you should do is go back to week 21. And the other thing a lot of people are still missing is this, the What is a Wave worksheet. Okay, so those are the two assignments that you'll be missing if you don't get those turned in, as well as the lab we do today. Next week, we're taking the Unit 11 test. And other than that, we're done and good to go. All right, love you guys. Bye.